Okay, let's start. How often do you read books?
I often read books at home. Usually, I read newspapers, novels, and different type of books.
Okay. Do you have many books at home?
No, I actually do not. I actually not have many books at home. I actually have textbooks at home.
Okay, now this answer is the same. I do not have many books at home. I have textbooks. Now you say, I don't have a good collection of books at home. Yes, there are few books in my house, but actually they are the textbooks. So to answer your question, I don't have many books at home. Okay, like this. Proper answer. Do people in your country do enough reading?
It varies on the interest of people's. Different people have the reading interest and they want to read different books. But most of the people which don't have the
Who don't have?
who don't have interest to read the books.
Okay, so they don't read, right?
Yeah.
All right. What kind of people like reading and what kind of people don't like reading?
Actually, the people who related to the literate,
Who are related to
who are
education?
related to the education, so they want to read the books. And the people who are not related to
Who
the,
are uneducated?
who are uneducated and who are not related to the literate, so they don't like to read books.
Okay, now your answer is based on repetition. If this is that, then if that is that. Again, if
Sure.
this is this and if that is that. Try to come out of that. What type of people like reading and what type of people don't like reading? Well, I think only educated people are the ones who like reading. But the reading habits are declining these days. So I think out of educated people, it's only 4-5% people who like reading. On the other hand, uneducated people don't even know how to read. So let's not talk about them. I think only educated people like to read, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, there should be proper answer which satisfies the question. Okay, one last question. Do you think children have lost their interest in reading or in stories?
Yeah, actually, children have not lost their interest in the reading of different stories, but they change their interest in the latest stories which are in the market, like fiction and the automation and most relevant to the IT and media, digital media.
Okay. All right. So just try
So,
to speak fluently and be confident. Things will
yeah,
be fine. Make yourself familiar with these questions and you'll be
yes.
all right. Right? Thank
Thank
you.
you.